Hello, good morning, students. To all of you. Today I am going to discuss with you short method. Short method to balance chemical equation. To balance chemical equation. Let's start to do this one. See all of you, please. What to do there? Suppose I am writing one equation over here. Let it be, this is the equation N2 plus H2 arrow NH3. Clear? This equation I have written there. Now most of the students feels difficult to balance the equation. You see the easiest way to balance the equation. Let it be, I am writing A here, I am writing B, I am writing C. If any other molecule will be there, you can write D, E, F, whatsoever you can write, you can write over there. Okay. Now you see all of you, what is there? Here N2. In front of N2, what is there? A is there. So I am writing 2A. Here how many N? In this side 1N, 2A, yes or no, equal to C. Okay. So yes or no, 2A equal to C. Then after that, beta, after that you see next one. Next is hydrogen. How many is there? Here is B, here is 2. So it becomes 2B equal to what? How many hydrogen? 3, and here is C. So it becomes 3C. Am I right? Oh, yes or no? See, only nitrogen and hydrogen is there. That I have written there. Now we can, what we can do? Now any of the number A, B, C, we can consider as an 1. Let it be A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, then what to do, beta? Here C value will be, yes, C value will be 2. And same way, if the C value will be 2, please put it over here to calculate the value of B. 2B is equal to 3 into 2. So what it will become? B will be equal to, yes, 3. B कितना आ जाएगा? 3. मेरी बात समझ लग रही है सभी को? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? बी कितना आ गया आपके पास? यस. नाउ यू सी, इट मीन्स ए इज़ 1, सी इज़ 2, बी इज़ 3. ओके. एट द प्लेस ऑफ ए, व्हाट वी कैन राइट हेयर? 1. एट द प्लेस ऑफ बी, व्हाट वी कैन राइट देयर? 3. एट द प्लेस ऑफ सी, व्हाट वी कैन राइट देयर? 2. Sorry, at the place of B we can write 3, at the place of C we can write 2. So this is our balanced equation. So I am writing once again, what is our balanced equation? That is N2 plus 3H2 arrow 2NH3. So this is the first equation that I have balanced. Okay student, now let's see one more example. Let's see one more example regarding that. Okay, you see all of you, please. Suppose I am writing H2 plus O2 arrow H2O. Oh, yes or no? Now you see here again, but the same method we can use here. You can use here A, here it is B, and here it is C. So what to do there, beta? क्या करोगे इसमें? आप देखो. First of all, hydrogen, you see, this is a hydrogen, 2A equal to 2C, and here again oxygen, 2B equal to C, because there is only one oxygen, C. Here is this side 2 oxygen, 2B equal to C. Let it be, जिसको मर्जी 1 पुट कर लो बेटा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Let it be A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Okay, and what will be the value of C? Yes, C is also a 1. If A is 1, C is 1, then what is the value of B? Oh, then value of the B, 2B is equal to 1. 1 क्यों आया? Because C value was 1. Then B equal to 1 by 2. B equal to 1 by 2. So what we can write over there, beta? You can see, all of you, what we can write there. Here at the place of A क्या आएगा? 1. At the place of B, what will be there? 1 by 2. At the place of C, 1. You can see this is a balanced equation. Okay, now I will write it properly once again. What I have written there, H2 plus half O2 arrow H2O. Yes or no? Here it is 1. Okay, and here was also it is 1. Now you can see, all of you, there A is 1, B is half, C is 1. Now you can make it multiply with the 2. You can write this equation like this way also, 2H2 plus O2 arrow 2H2. How it came? To make it simplify, to make it simplest whole number ratio, we can multiply this whole of the equation with the 2, and we can write this equation like this way also. Okay students, so by this way, but you can balance any of the equation. See, okay, what you can do, you can balance the any of the equation by this method. Good morning students, once again let's do some more example to balance the equation. Okay, see, one of the example is here now. HNO3 plus CaOH twice arrow CaNO3 twice plus H2O. Is that right? Now in this case, you see, all of you, as I told you the method previously, first of all we write everywhere here A, here in front of it B, here is C, and here is D. Am I right? Now first of all you see the hydrogen, beta. How many hydrogen is there in this side? Here is also hydrogen is there. Yes or no? So what you will write here? A on the reactant side, A plus 2B. Am I right? What I am writing? A plus 2B. Why 2B? Because see this 2 and hydrogen 2B equal to, now you see the product side, hydrogen in CaNO3 twice, no hydrogen is there. Yes or no? But here how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen is equal to 2D, sorry, is equal to 2D. Fine. And now you come to the nitrogen. Where? Nitrogen again A. Yes or no? And here there is no nitrogen, then sign will be equal to, then see here how many nitrogen is there? How many? 2 nitrogen. What is there? 2 nitrogen means 2C. A equal to 2C. Nitrogen is over. Now you can see the oxygen. What you can see? You can see the oxygen. See how many oxygen is there? 3. That is why 3A. And here how many oxygen is there? 2 oxygen plus 3A plus 2B. Am I right? Now you see the oxygen on the product side. How many oxygen is there on the product side? Yes, on the product side, beta. 3. Here it's 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. And here C. So it's equal to 6C. And how many oxygen is there? 1 plus D. Is that clear? Now oxygen is also there. Now you see the calcium. What you can see? Calcium. How many calcium is there? On the reactant side only 1 calcium. So here is B. What is it? It is B. Okay, B. And see this side calcium, how many is there? C. Only 1 calcium. Am I right? So this one I have written there, as I told you previously also, beta. We can put any number as equal to 1. Let again A is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1, now you see this equation first of all, where I have written A is equal to 2C. What I have written? A is equal to 2C. Now, if A is equal to 1, then C will be equal to, yes, C will be equal to 1 by 2. C will be equal to 1 by 2. Now you see, all of you, what is it? This one they have given to you, B equal to C. So means if C is equal to 1 by 2, then B will also be 1 by 2. Now A came, okay beta, C came, B came. What is left to find out? I think it's clear to you. Only D is left to find out. Please use this equation. Use this equation. Put the value of A and B into that. A is 1 और A कितना है 1 plus 2B into 2. What is the B value here? B is 1 by 2. What is it? B is 1 by 2 equal to, या 2D. कितना बनेगा बेटा जी बोलो? ये आपके पास बन जाएगा आई थिंक 2 by 2 equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, then 2D is equal to 2. I think D will also be equal to 1. D will also be equal to 1. Is that clear? So beta, from there one thing is very clear to us. A is equal to 1, B is equal to half, sorry, C is equal to half, B is equal to half, and D is equal to 1. Oh, clear? A is 1. What is it? Again I am writing over there. See, here it is 1. Then B and C are half. B is half, C is half, and D is 1. Okay, so I am writing this equation again. on the other side. What we have written there? HNO3 plus CaOH twice, arrow CaNO3 twice, plus H2O. So what the values we have written there, we can write it here again. Here it is 1, here it is 1 by 2, C is 1 by 2, and D is equal to 1. Now you can see this equation is balanced already. What is it? This equation is balanced. I told you we can make it simplify also. We can multiply whole of this equation by the 2. What we can do? We can multiply whole of this equation by 2. If we were multiply by 2, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, and here is 2. 2 by 2 cancel. Yes or no? Then what are the equation we will get? We will get there, yes, this equation, but you see, we will get this equation 2HNO3 plus CaOH twice, arrow CaNO3 twice, plus 2H2O. Okay, now you can see the equation is balanced or not balanced. How many hydrogen this side? 2 and 2, 4. Hydrogen 4 on the reactant side. Am I right? Now count on the product side. 2 into 2, 4. Balanced. Same way. Now you see the nitrogen. How many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen. How many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen on the reactant side. You see in the product side. Here it is N. ये वाला N है. How many is here? 2. Okay, beta. 2 nitrogen on the product side. Is that clear? Hydrogen is balanced, and even a nitrogen is also a balanced. Now you see the oxygen. See oxygen, how many is there? 3. Here it is 2. 3 plus 2. Sorry, 3 is there. 2 into 3, 6. Now this is 2. Total how many is there? Total oxygen are there 8 on the reactant side. Now you see there also. This is 2, this is 3. 3 into 2, 6. And this is 2. 8 oxygen on the product side. Balanced. Oxygen is balanced, nitrogen is balanced, all the equation, all the elements are